At History Class, we believe in celebrating the people who are pouring their love and kindness into our town. And Arc of the Bay is doing amazing things.
What we do is we teach life skills and job skills to individuals with disabilities that will allow them to lead a more productive and independent life. We teach how to prepare for an interview, how to fill out a resume, how to strategically look for the opportunities for jobs here in Bay County. One of our most recent initiatives is our Certified Culinary Institute. We teach restaurant readiness, we teach food prep, we teach skill sets that will help them be able to fill the gaps in our food service industry here in Bay County. Our students are just like you and I. They want to make a difference, they want to add value, they want to be a part of your organization. They are the most dependable workers that you'll ever experience in your life. They amaze me every day. We're always looking for caring individuals that want to make a difference in our community. If you have an interest in volunteering with us, reach out to us today. We'd love to have you.